I've got a Masterlock on the bench here today for you. This is the 6835 LFNR in blue. It's another one of those lockout tagout locks. It's an aluminum bodied lock, hardened steel shackle, and it's got a 6-pin core with some spool pins in there. There's the bitting of our key. This lock is key retaining too. Core is removable. I'm going to see if I can pick it open for you guys. So I'm going to use a Peterson pry bar in 40 thousandths, top of the keyway. Light tension. And Peterson hook, 15 thousandths. Start in the back, work my way forward. And we're open. I'm going to close this one up right away, making sure to turn the plug the correct direction, because 2 weeks ago I bought this same lock. I picked it open, set it down, walked away, came back a few minutes later, closed my shackle, took my turning tool, and I turned the plug the wrong way. And now if you look at this, you can see it's upside down, and it has pins sticking out of the top, and it has pins sticking out of the bottom. And this lock is essentially bricked now. I can't get the key in it, can't turn it. So I'm going to see if I can fix it somehow, some way, but for now, it's basically useless. And also, if you look at these, those keyways are different. Completely different keyways. The keys do look similar, but if you swap keys, they don't fit. They won't go in. And both of these are different even yet than this 410 Loto, which has its own keyway altogether too. They're all 6-pin cores, but they're all different. I thought that was kind of interesting, but especially these two being the same exact lock. I don't know what the year, the manufacture dates are on these locks, but they're different. This is the older style 6835. They have a newer, updated version. It's got a little different body. I know that one has like a beveled cut right here on it. This one's got a nice blue powder coated finish on it. Pretty well done. This one too, in orange. Well, this thing cost me $11.31 shipped to my door. So it's pretty affordable. It's a fun lock to pick, but like I said earlier, you just got to be careful once you do pick it open that you turn the plug the correct direction when you go to close it. Otherwise, you get this. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.